Myself, M. Parvadorthini. I am pursuing final year of BE Pharmaceutical Engineering at Vinayaka Mission Kribananda Varayil Engineering College in Salem. My project topic is extraction of Baleria prionitis root and evaluation of Tyrosinase inhibition activity. Baleria prionitis is a percaffin flower and belongs to a family Acanthaceae. It has several types of medicinal properties like antifungal, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, hepatoprotective, anti-contractile activity, etc. First of all, we take a Baleria prionitis root and it is shear dry for 15 days. Then it crushed and take a powder form. After that, it will be by using a solvent extraction method, it will be extracted by solvents like hexane, ethyl acetate and methanol. The crude are analyzed here, TLC studies, phytochemical screening, FDR studies and LCMS studies. By using these results, we can find out a particular compound in that Baleria prionitis root extraction. After that, the crude combined with the Tyrosinase enzymes and it developed a or synthesized a particular activity of the compound for curing a vitiligo disease by using Tyrosinase inhibition activity. The crude combined with the Tyrosinase enzymes and it developed or synthesized to cure a vitiligo disease. Thank you.